Okay, sixth grade, so here is how you will complete your slides for the final step of your project. Once you have submitted your note-taking sheets and you've been assigned a grade for those, make any corrections you need to, because anything that's wrong on the note-taking sheets will also be wrong in your slide presentation. Once you have everything corrected and you're ready to begin your slides, on slide number 1, you'll type your name, and then type the instrument that you did your research project on. Make sure you spell it correctly. And then you're going to answer why you chose this instrument. Okay. Then you would go to the next slide and answer each question. Please use complete sentences. And for the rest of these, if you pretty much have your note-taking sheets in complete sentences, or they're pretty close to it, you can copy and paste from that document and click them right in. So I'm going to skip all of these because it's basically just typing in your answers. When you are finished typing in all of your answers, you can certainly go in and do some fun stuff. Like you can make sure your answers are in first. But you can change things like the background, and you can choose an image, or you can choose a color. And you can do it for each slide. You can even do what are called transitions. So when you go from slide to slide, you can apply a transition such as dissolve. So I'm going to click play to see what that would look like. And that's what it would look like when you click to go through. Completely up to you if you want to do those kind of things. You can go in and change the font if you would like to. And that's as simple as highlighting your text, and then you would go up into your font and you can choose whatever you like. Just make sure it's something that you can read, and you can change the size of your font if you would like to. You can change the color of your font if you would like to. So there's lots of things you can do with all of these. For object animations, you click on a text box, add animation, and then you can have it fly in if you want to, and you can see what that would look like. And when I click, there's my information. So have some fun creating your slides. You can add pictures, color, change the font, add some animations, whatever you feel like doing. Just make sure that all of your information is correct. Spelling counts, completeness counts, accuracy counts. All right, girls and guys, have fun creating your slide presentation. I look forward to seeing what you come up with.